Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now today, as you can see on the title down below, we have here a very interesting device that I want to share with you, and that is actually the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Now I've actually been using this device for my past trip to Singapore, and I managed to capture quite a fair bit of beautiful photos. So I have 5 main points that I'm going to go over today, and that's all about the cameras. If you are looking for one of the best smartphone cameras to date, you might want to stick with me until the end. Let's begin the video right away. Now, first and foremost, my first point here is actually all about that 1-inch sensor that you get. Obviously, we are having here a brand new Leica Sumilux lens. I think the 1-inch sensor is my favorite because it gives a very nice natural shallow depth of field. Now, this is not just for objects that are super close up to you. Any phone can get a nice background blur if you are very close. But for the 1-inch sensor on the 14 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, you get a very nice blur even if you are quite some distance away from the subject. So that's very important here. As for photos taken on a day-to-day, what can you expect with the Leica authentic look? Well, basically your pictures will all look very aesthetic. I know I've said the word aesthetic a couple of times now, but it's just very aesthetic. You don't really have to edit any photo that you are shooting on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Everything that just comes out looks great on its own. You have a very nice kind of tone for the colors, and again, this is not something that everyone will like. If you like the kind of tones from a Leica camera, obviously every kind of brand has its own kind of look. If you like Leica kind of look, I would say that the 14 Ultra will just cater to your kind of taste. Me personally, I do like the photos coming off the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Again, it's so easy to shoot with this device. Everything that I just point and shoot at just looks great coming straight out of the camera. Now moving on to my second point here, guys. The second point here is actually all about having those super fast shutter speed. Now I did a couple of jumps and you can see I was actually able to capture myself in air, and it does look quite funny, my face, but it actually did do a good job there even though it was at night. Now the reason why I'm using a night example for this is because usually at night the camera tries to gather a bit more light and it's a bit slower compared to taking daylight shots where almost every phone can do very fast, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra was able to capture, like I said, me hanging in air at just that one tap of the button. So that shows that this is actually a very quick shutter. Now moving on to my third point here, guys. My third point here is actually all about the zoom lens. Yep, in terms of the zoom lens, now this is actually a very unique feature. We do get a 3.2 as well as a 5.0, and these days I'm not really interested in seeing like 100 times zoom, 200 times zoom. Now one thing that I found out about the zoom lens here is that even when you use the zoom lens, you are actually able to create a very nice shallow depth of field. And if you just take a look over here, when I just tap like at the side, I actually focus on the nearest subject, but when I go back to the main subject, everything that's surrounding the frame itself is actually blurred out. So it's actually looking very aesthetic, and it also reminds me of an actual camera with that telephoto lens where your main subject is the only one that is clear and all the surrounding objects are actually a bit blurred out. So the zoom lens does capture a lot of detail as well. Obviously at 3.2 and 5.0, you get a ton of detail as if it was being captured at 1.0. I also noticed that the color accuracy, like the color consistency across the different lenses, are also quite similar. You all get that very nice Leica authentic look, which again you can see the samples on your screens today. Now moving on to the fourth point is all about the variable aperture. Now, like some phones, you are actually able to have like different stops of variable aperture. Yeah, so some phones you actually have 2 stops, some give you 3 or 4 stops, but for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, there's a ton of stops. Like it's super detailed. You can actually control how big the sensor opens up and how small it goes to a very detailed extent. Now I think this is great for you if you're the kind of person who wants like full control over your photo. Well, this is where the super detailed amount of stops in the aperture can actually help you get that exact shot that you want. Now moving on to my final point here, guys. What makes this phone really feel like a camera is actually the photography kit that I happen to have. It's actually in this box here. Well, what it comes with is actually this very nice case. Check out the case, guys. It really gives an extra layer of protection, and the color itself matches something that you would see on an actual camera. Other than that, what really changes the game is that we have this camera grip that when you just slide in, it actually gives you like full camera controls. You have a couple of buttons here. You have a shutter button, you have a record button, you have this wheel over here that you can actually set to put whatever feature you want. It's currently set to reduce or increase the EV, and you also have this lever over here that you can use to zoom, and ultimately guys, this is just what you might see on an actual camera. The grip is also very good. If you are going to be doing like one-handed photography, you can do all that using this thing over here. And the best part here, which is something that you might not know, is that it's actually a sort of like a mini power bank, because it actually gives your phone a bit more battery whenever you put that in. In fact, you can also put in a UV filter if you want to do that. So yeah, the overall kit really transformed the phone to a camera. Now ultimately, what do I think of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Well, I just think that it's very good to see, Xiaomi pushing the game in terms of the photography experience. These days we see a lot of phones always trying to be better than the other in terms of photography, but I think Xiaomi is keeping it authentic with its Leica kind of colors. The fact that they are using the best lens that you can find in the market today on a phone really shows that Xiaomi is very serious into the photography game, and that's what you can always expect on the Ultra version of Xiaomi phones. Anyway, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Comment what you think about the photos. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is currently available in Malaysia for RM5199. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link down below. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.